lots of them over there. Like roll. Or don't do it.
0-1-1.
Global right now either, because my knee's
Right. Okay. So do we need to change strategy?
No, let's keep the ball in play.
Maybe have cold water in that cooler.
0-1 or zeros?
0-1.
0-1-2. Oh, David.
Oh, yeah.
On the line.
Yeah, I just can't move fast enough to get around it.
Okay. So let me know if you want to change strategy.
1-0-1.
Yeah, keep it in play. It's the strategy.
1-0-1.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
I don't understand.
Good enough. Good enough.
1-0-1.
Alright, we know how to dig out of a hole. Diggy hole. Okay?
Sorry, you can't park here. Nice.
You gotta park in Parker.
0-5-1. Yes.
You didn't roll that one.
I just want to get her over the net.
Whoa!
One of your kids?
Lady?
1-5.
1-5-1.
Way to bring me in the game, babe. 1-5-2. Okay, 2-5-1. 2.
Yeah! Nice shot, Dave.
Thank you.
I know.
Sharp angle.
3-5-2. There you go.
5-3-1.
That was good. I saw that angle you put on it.
Probably have to go like this.
I didn't know where it was going to go. 6-3-1.
She's not moving.
Nope.
6-3-2. Oh, nice catch.
Chewing them out for that.
7-3-2.
3-7. 1.
Sorry, babe. It was upstairs.
This just got to be a better shot.
Okay. 3-7-2.
Ah!
No. 4-7-2.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, babe.
7-4-1.
Oh, nice side. Way low. Yeah. I waited too late. I'm like trying not to take away my shot. 7-3, 7-4, 7-4-2. Wow.
4-7-1.
You. Oh. Man down. Line out there. You. You. Oh. Man down. Line out there.
Stroke, eagle.
I kicked her, I guess. I don't know.
That's what happens
Now
when
it's
you play
Cinco de
the
Mayo,
solo.
you gotta take her out.
Okay, same game. I think we're at 4-7-2. My serve.
Más margaritas, por favor.
Yeah, you'll be drinking that through a straw.
4-7-2.
You.
Be ready for this. 7-4-1.
One in.
Thank you.
Happening.
Gotta score.
That's good for you to practice that, though. I know. I had to go for it.
I was going to put it away.
7-4 and a 2.
Oh, it's just, oh. 2-3-1. And here comes the photo.
Yay.
Hopefully Sherry didn't park illegally.
4-7-1.
3-3-1.
Oh my god, that was like a fast pitch.
Yeah, be careful what you wish for, and then they show up.
2 of them.
We get arrested.
You see you step back. I saw you step sideways.
5-7-1.
I step sideways, but I'm a bigger target now.
No. I gotta keep trying that. How else am I gonna get it?
Go ahead and drive it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not like smoke it into the
In
screen.
the net.
5-7-2.
5-3-1.
Out.
5-3-2.
I gotta edit that. 6-7-1. There you go. Let's keep going.
Glad you thought it was funny. Oh.
Shoot! I should have hit it before it touched the ground.
Yes, 3-5-1.
7-7-1.
Again, too much.
8-7-1.
Enough. Enough. Hey, Sherry. You're not illegally parked, are you?
Well, it's not over.
There's no bad.
Okay.
8-7-1.
Ball, ball.
Wow!
Is that good?
Wow!
By a foot. Right over my head.
Wow, that was amazing.
9-7-1.
All right, Dave's gonna miss a serve. Then Lisa will hit it out.
I don't miss 10 serves. 10-7-1.
You.
No, I'm on one. So, don't miss it.
You're half out.
10-7-2.
7-4-2.
Nope.
All right.
I'm too timid.
I decided to move backwards.
Timid on those.
7-10-1. Good, Mike. He's good.
He's just got it dialed in.
Line.
Dialed in. Hey, don't hit it to me, man. At the net, okay?
8-10-1.
Middle.
9-10-1. All right, this is critical.
9-10-2.
Wow.
Sorry, I almost got you killed. But
Yeah, I got mine over.
I know.
try something.
You're right up, and that's what I do.
It's all right. Practicing.
10-10?
10-9.
10-9.
10-9-1.
I got it all.
You.
Yeah, gotta cut that off. And I know it's coming.
7-7.
Okay, we squeaked it out, 11-9. After Lisa's face shot. She went down, man. I feel bad. We got ice. She's good. She's a trooper.